This is a 1-scoop order for Gina from New York. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. Two canvas bags, one notebook, plus two more, one highlighter, plus one more, one pen, I just love blind box pens, plus three more. One mechanical pencil, plus one more, one coin purse, plus this cute little mini mofusan, two pencil cases. This Kuromi one is pretty big. I bet it could hold all the things in our purse. One plush charm, plus two more. One scenery sticker. Plus three more. One sticky note. Plus four more. Two mini charms. Plus five more. One bricks, plus one more, one deck of Uno cards, two scrunchies, plus one more. Look how fat and fluffy this Hello Kitty one is. One bookmark. plus 3 more. One taba squishy. Plus 1 more. That's everything, Gina. We are so grateful you found us and decided to take a chance on our small business. Thank you so much.